So now let's look at the copywriting skill set जिसके थ्रू आप exact processes सीख सकेंगे जिससे you can eventually become a high level copywriter. So before jumping into the processes, here's something that you should know. जहाँ तक online skills की बात होती है तो copywriting is considered to be one of the highest paying online skills in today's age क्योंकि like we saw before this is that exact skill जिससे businesses को या आपके clients को अपने business पे customers आएंगे और उनका product sell होगा, which is the purpose of every business, to sell products and to increase their customer base. And a good copywriter is someone who can help their client achieve that. So it is definitely a skill set that you can learn क्योंकि इसमें more than using good English, it's about using the right kind of words. So through focus and practice, becoming a high level copywriter is definitely achievable through a step by step process of 30 days. You might be thinking कि if you're starting from scratch तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा time लगेगा, बहुत महीने लेंगे. But what I'm talking about is the specific steps that you will be using in order to create good copy. So that you can very easily grasp and learn in 30 days, and when you practice it every day so you will automatically get in the habit of writing good copy and you'll soon get the hang of it. And this is especially true because you don't have to be the best copywriter in the world. That is something that will take years of practice. So if you aim to be the best copywriter in the world, then सारी जिंदगी आप सिर्फ copywriting सीखते ही रहेंगे. And our aim with this course and with this learning is that you can start to put your knowledge to practical use right away and start earning from it. So, with practice and intention and sticking to the steps that are outlined in this course, you can join the top 5% of world class copywriters, which is something that you can definitely achieve. So, let's begin. Now, writing great copy is a 5-step process, and अब हम देखेंगे कि ये 5 steps क्या होते हैं. So, there's the product side, there's the customer side, there are your headlines, persuasive copy जो आपकी मेन कॉपी होती है, एंड देन योर कॉल टू एक्शन. दीज आर द 5 एस्पेक्ट्स टू योर कॉपी. ये 5 चीज़ें आपकी कॉपी में होंगी तो दैट विल गिव यू अ वेरी हाई चांस ऑफ योर कॉपी बीइंग सक्सेसफुल. सो अब देखते हैं कि एक एक में क्या चीज़ें आती हैं. सो ऑन योर प्रोडक्ट साइड यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर सेलिंग. तो अगर आप किसी ब्रांड के साथ या किसी बिजनेस के साथ ऑलरेडी एसोसिएटेड होंगे एंड यू आर डायरेक्टली वर्किंग फॉर देम, then you will most likely already know everything about the product. But if you're working as a freelancer on a client's product, so it is very important that you understand each and every feature of that product and you are very clear about what exactly it is that you are selling. So the first step to copywriting is to understand your product. Learn the features of your product that will stand out. Understand कि आपका product क्यों different है, क्यों unique है. What is the USP, the unique selling point of your product, and what is something that makes it stand out? If this is something that's already available on the market, then how is your offering to potential customers different and how is that standing out from your competitors? तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. And these aren't just things that you need to know in your head. You should write these things down. So actually sit down and create a product description जिसमें आप product के सारे aspects from its unique selling point to its features to the benefits of each feature, ये सारा आप उस product description में लिखेंगे. So write down what you already know about the product and write down a complete description of your product or service or whatever it is that you are offering. So this is how you create a product description, by asking the following questions. What is your product and what does it do? What is unique or special about the product? What is the benefit that this product provides? How does it help the customer? What is the existing pain point that this product will alleviate? कौन सा ऐसा पेन पॉइंट है, कौन सा ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है जिसको आपका प्रोडक्ट सॉल्व कर रहा है फॉर योर कस्टमर? डज इट इंक्रीज द कस्टमर्स प्लेजर और मिनिमाइज देयर पेन? नाउ बिहाइंड एवरी बाइंग डिसीजन, जब भी कोई कस्टमर एक बाइंग डिसीजन लेता है तो उसके मेनली 2 मोटिवेशंस होती हैं. ईदर इट इंक्रीजेज द कस्टमर्स प्लेजर, इट मेक्स देम हैप्पियर, और इट मिनिमाइजेज देयर पेन. So our focus when we do copywriting is mainly on the second one, on minimizing our customers' pain. So we want to use that. We want to make use of their problems, of the challenges that they're facing, of the pain points, so that we can offer our product as a solution. What features does your product have and how does each feature benefit the customer? Again, benefits की बात हो रही है. Now, it is important to understand here that your features of the product are not the same thing as the benefits of the product. Features आपके product के technical aspects होते हैं कि उस product के साथ क्या क्या customer को मिलता है. Benefits are how those features are going to help your customers achieve what they want to achieve when they buy your product. So when you begin to write any copy, write down the answers to all of the 5 questions above, because you need this information in front of you and on your fingertips when writing your copy. ये information compile होके आपके सामने जब होगी, that will help you save a lot of time and effort when you're sitting down to write your copy, and it will also make sure that you're not missing out any important aspect of your product. Then there's the customer side. Who are you selling to? What do they want to buy? How can you convince them to make a purchase? It's all about the customer. So जब भी आप कॉपी राइटिंग करते हैं, इनफैक्ट जब भी आप किसी सेल्स पर्सपेक्टिव से किसी भी कस्टमर से बात करते हैं या कोई भी कंटेंट लिखते हैं, तो उसमें हमेशा एज अ रूल ऑफ persuasion you focus on the benefit that your target customer is going to get. आपने benefits की बात पहले करनी है, बाद में आप अपनी ऑडियंस को बताएंगे कि आपके प्रोडक्ट में ऐसे कौन से फीचर्स हैं जिनसे उन्हें वो बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे. सो इन ऑर्डर टू डू दिस, पुट योर सेल्फ इन योर ऑडियंसेस शूज़. डिफाइन योर डेमोग्राफिक्स. आपके कस्टमर साइड पे कौन से डेमोग्राफिक्स के लोग हैं. हर तरह के प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस की मार्केट अलग होगी, एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट इट इज़ दैट यूर ऑफरिंग, ईच ग्रुप ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स विल हैव different expectations, different hopes, different dreams, different priorities and different fears and pain points. So when you know कि आपकी target audience exactly कौन है, for example, if your target audience is mothers, so mothers will have different priorities than let's say a business executive, क्योंकि mothers के लिए maybe saving money is more important for moms, whereas saving time is more valuable to executives. So we can clearly see कि दोनों की priorities different हैं. So we want to make use of our specific target audience's expectations, ताकि हम अपनी copy इस तरह से create करें कि जो benefit हम highlight कर रहे हैं through our copy, that is something that really hits home with our target audience. So in order to write good copy, you need to know what appeals to your audience. And again, the only way that you will be able to fully grasp कि आपकी ऑडियंस को क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद, what gets them excited, what inspires them, you will only be able to do this if you define your customer base. तो इसमें सारी इस तरह की डिटेल्स आ जाती हैं कि where does your target customer live, what sort of income group do they belong to, what values do they have. All of these things you will understand better once you define your customers. So customer research is key. And in order to do that, ask these 4 questions. Are there current buyers of your product? If yes, who are they? अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट के ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग बायर्स हैं, तो देन यू विल हैव अ वेरी क्लियर पिक्चर ऑफ हु एग्जैक्टली दे आर. Who do you want to buy your product? So who are your target customers and which types of customers do you prefer over others? So एक एक कस्टमर टाइप में भी शायद आपकी प्रेफरेंसेस ज़्यादा हों. सो मे बी इफ़ यू राइटिंग फॉर अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी, सो मे बी दैट एजेंसी प्रिफर्स big companies, or you might be working for some agency that only prefers having a lot of small to medium sized businesses as their target customers. तो इस तरह की आपकी preferences भी होंगी within your customer group. So what does your typical customer look like and what is important to them? Again, what are their values and what are their priorities? इसके लिए consider real customers when answering this question and find out what's important to them. Do some market research. See कि आपके customers क्या जानना चाहते हैं, what do they want to know, what problems are they facing, what do they want to solve, and what are the things that they hold important. What do customers love about your product? What keeps them coming back for more? Now answer this question realistically and see कि what has worked in the past. अगर कोई ऐसा factor है आपके product के बारे में which actually customers asked about or Because of that, they came back to your product, or maybe they left feedback on your product. So that will help you better understand, okay, what are the important features of the product that you can highlight, which are most liked by your target audience.